From the video title, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now head over to your Instagram, right? So this is our Instagram. Head over to your click on the profile. Once you click on the profile, you're going to see the edit profile. You're going to see this. You're going to see the rest, right? So click on this edit profile. From here, you can see change photo. If you click on the change photo, you will be displayed with three options, right? You can upload a new one, you can remove previous one, or you can cancel this. So because this is basically an educational tutorial video, I don't think there's any need for me to change this, right? So this is basically how you can change this if you want to change it for any reasons. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Let me know if you guys found this video helpful. I would see you all in the very next one.